So let's talk about the first step that you need to take in your glow up process, and that is having a mindset shift. I used to be the type of person that was always very worrisome about everything. And although I could be very optimistic, I also had a little bit of pessimism as an undercurrent to my life as well. And I really had to learn how to see things in a positive light. I had to learn how to not expect the worst of things to happen to me all the time. And when I really started to shift my mindset around my life and how I live it and what I wanted to see manifested in it, things just shifted in such an amazing way. For so many of you in this fitness journey, you've only been really akin to knowing failure. Being on the same diets over and over, trying to lose the same couple of pounds, trying and failing at changing your bodies. And I know how incredibly frustrating that can be, and it can really play tricks on your mind. And it kind of can leave you in a place where you're skeptical whether or not anything can help you. If you do not have a mindset shift and start thinking about things in the positive and really start giving yourself a fighting chance to win, start getting out of your own way, then you're never going to be able to glow up and change. So step one, have a mindset shift that's going to help you to move forward towards your goals. The second tip that was really, really helpful for me in my glow up process was really owning having a mental and emotional balance within my life. I had to take a look at the people, the things, the content, the music, the messages that I was consuming on a daily basis that was essentially keeping me stuck in a specific mindset. And when I started to really clear my space around me, clear the people around me, and making sure that the people that are around me support me in my efforts, support me in my goals, but also are not afraid to call me out when I needed to be called out. When I started to listen to certain kinds of music and stop turning off other things, when I stopped following certain people on social media and started to fill my social media with things that encouraged me, it just really helped me to find a lot more mental and emotional balance in my life that has helped me to go forward when it comes to my goals and overall glowing up in my life. So one of the things that I want you to do is take a look at what you are consuming. What is your daily diet? What is the stuff around you that can have an impact on you? Flush out the things that you don't need. Surround yourself by the things that make you feel good and that also give you a sense of responsibility and accountability towards your goals and help you to keep moving forward. That is so important. Tip number 3 is really connected to tip number 2. And this was a hard one, but it's an important part of your glow up process, your level up process. And that is owning your SHIT. Own it, honey. One of the things that we really hate to do is to look at our flaws because it just makes us feel as though there's something wrong with us. But I don't think that flaws are necessarily that. When you are fully aware of what your pitfalls are when it comes to your training, your nutrition, and your mindset in this game, when we're talking about glowing up and leveling up to, in that respect, then you can start to tackle the things that have been holding you back from seeing the results that you want to see. When you own your stuff, when you own your SHIT, you have to hold a mirror up to yourself and say, hey, look, this is what's wrong. This is what needs to be fixed. And from there, you can create solutions.